players. This is a start of the last quarter. The fourth. Matibay din kasi sa Casino kaya ang nagwawagi. Tumeri versus PPUC Corporation. Shout out sa aking grupo na araw sa Mr. Samboy Baline. Hello Samboy, good evening. Naglantaw ni siya. Alvarez to Miguel. Miguel to Casero. Rebound from Wilson. Wait, ang tangka rin sa Wilson. Pilit to Kamar. 14. Pilit, Pilit. Pilit to number 4. Gala. Pilit again. Timatiman. There is a foul by number 20. The next is foul 2. Alvarez, clear left. Mirang for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points for Mirang Superstar. Score is 3-8. 5.8 for Team Bank. Perez, 10 to shoot. Gonzalez. 49. Big shot. Remain time. 10 minutes and 43. 5.8 for Team Bank. Substitution. Number 91 out. Dixon. Plomilio in. Inbound is Miguel Superstar. Casero, Miguel for 3. Yes, sir! Back to back. 3 points. Oy, balik naman sa walong score, no? Something, walo ng abanse. Ngayon na sa third quarter, balik man sa walong. Miguel for 3. Rebound 14 base. There is high number 81, Malasa.
Tagalogin mo kasi.
Third foul. Substitution, Engineer Plana in. Engineer Plana. Minutes and 20. Engineer Plana. Can't shoot. The bar. Pilit. Toplomilio. Mr. Pierre Plomilio with 2 points. Mayor 14. Rebound 4. Last touch for Team Bank mula sa PEC. Nine is 54, 85, 91 for score. 6 minutes for Team Bank. Last quarter na po tayo. Engineer Plan. Pinasa ka number 26 and shit. Pirit. There is a foul by number 81. 81. That was Balasa. Foul 4. Sir Balasa, foul 4. 2 free throws for Mr. Bennett. First Mr. No. Second. Yes, sir. Nice one from Mr. Bennett. Score. 86-91. Mirabel for 3. Yes, sir! Unstoppable! Mayor Express with 3 points. Good. Pinasakay Gonzalez. There is a foul. For by number 42, Casquero. Foul team. 3 team fouls for Team Bank. First pitch of Gonzalez. Second. Gonzalez. Yes, sir. Ronald Gonzalez with 2 points. 9 minutes left. Big shot from Balotang Nuevo. To number 81, Casquero. There is a foul by number 12, Engineer Plaza. Engineer Plana with pleasure foul. Third foul. Engineer, foul 3 ka na po. Yes, sir. Completed na ulit for Mr. Alvin Balasa. Score 88-96. 8.8 for Team Bank. 8.8.
Ang nagtira?
Plomilio. Pecha. Kier. Plomilio. With 2 points. Belongs to Sir Kier. Mirabel for 3. Attacking. Rebound for Engineer Plana. Pinasakay pilit. Tok na milyo. Wala pa. Alves. Tatlong dua. Mirabel. 4 big shot. There is a foul by number 'Plomilio in choose number 41. Third foul. 2 free throws for Big Shot. First free throw wala. Second. Yes, sir. Left. Let's get it out. For 3. Big shot. Pass to me again. Atake ulit. Pinasa kay Andres. Wow! What a pass! 2 points. For below. Andres. Daming pasa niyo. Kita mo tayo. Ating natira kumikis. Gonzalez. Stepping on the line. Time. Score 99.8 for Team Bank. Are you okay? Oh no. 7 minutes and 29. Alves. Pass from the event. Last touch by Mr. Kodoy. Pan to shoot. Pan to shoot. Balasa. to Maybank for 3. Yes, sir! Unstoppable! Maybank defense with 4 points. Sa second quarter, si Busting will score his success. Isa lagi tulos. Kapawis po. Gonzales, wala pa. Maybank for 3. Rebound for Mr. Desan. What happened to Mr. Desan? Sorry, is this okay? Is this okay? Yes, sir! Unstoppable! Maybank with 4 points, 15 point lead na. Engineer Plana. Going for 3. Yes, sir! That was Mr. Hamar! Wala ka talig ng magic touch niya sa Hamar. Maybank for 3. Rebound 14 pieces. That was Mr. Kanoy. For 3 again. Dison. Big Sun. Yes, sir. 2 points for Mr. Kano. Big Sun, Mr. Hussein. Dison to Hamar for 3. Now. 5 minutes and 31. Alvarez to Big Sun. It's a good ball. Maybank for 3. Rebound for the super tall Mr. Diesel. Fast break. That was too fast for Mr. Bennett. Maybank for 3. Wow! Amazing shot for Maybank to Pacific. Unstoppable! Today for 2. Rebound 4. Engineer Plana. Ball Gilmore is on. 4 minutes and 27. Maybank to Kagawa Mauricio. What a pass by Maybank. Kagawa Mauricio. Noe with 2 points. Kamar. Maybank for nabasa ni Stern. Put it. Catch it. Maybank to Kagawa Mauricio.
Pasa sa Mabay. Balik at tira, Bay.
Bula will still go to Team PEC. 4 minutes and 44 left.
Yeah.
Hamar to Plana. Into Plana. There is a foul by Palma. Number 15. Foul 4. 2 free throws for Engineer Plana. Salted. First whistle, no. Second.
Go.
Nice one, engineer. 96, 112, 16 point lead for Team Land. Bareback for 3. Rebound for Engineer Plana. Hindi pa talaga sumusuko ang PEC. Kaya pa. There is a foul by Mayor Bang, Rangers number 13. First foul for. First foul. 2 free throws for Perez. First free throw. Nice one. Second. Great job. Score 14-20 for Team Bang. 14-20. Mauricio to Mayor Bang. 10-2. Mayor Bang for Palma. There is a foul by number 9. Perez foul 3. 2 free throws for Orville. Palma. First is the counts. Yes, sir. Nice one, Mr. Orville. There is a foul by number 17, Baltimore in your score. Second foul for you, Mr. Baltimore. 2 free throws for Mr. Perez. Yes, sir. Minute. Division 26. Baltimore to Palma. Rebound for Nagawa Mauricio. Palma to Mayor Bang. 10 Mayor Bang for 3. Baltimore. 10 4, 3. Okay, it's a good ball. 1-on-1, 1 versus 1. Wow. Uy, ari na. 2v2 na. For 3. Wala. Habar for 3. Wala. Dizon to Perez. Wow. Perez. Ang score, 101, 114. Wala Perez. Baltimore. 14. Perez.
Boy, bantay mo!
Habar 14. Habar. Tanship. Tudoy. Wala. Tudoy.
Rep, lepod, rep.
Tanship. Habar to Perez. Easy 2 points. Score 103-114. 1 minute and 24. Hirada. Palma. Tanship. Hirada to Mayor Bang. Mayor Bang. 4, 3, 2. Rebound for Tudoy. 14. Ooh.
Tribute na karon.
Seconds. 40 seconds. 34. Change their plan. 30 seconds. For 3. The answer. Kavar with the prize. 25 seconds. Maybank. For 3. There is a foul by number 17, Melvin Moore, foul 3.
Ha? Nami tong dito.
Seconds. Oh, 8 seconds left. 8 seconds. 9 seconds left. 9 seconds. Eight seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. The score of 114, 106. Palakpakan 109, 114. Team Band. Again, nicely fought. Team PVC Corporation.
Log. Anong masabi mo sa laro mo, Log?
Walang wala.
Alas 12, namin pa si Ibin Libin, pa siya makasin. Aray kami. Ano alas 12 sa amon? Kami. Ba natin si Nagrinso niya? Nagko ba natin pa gitya? Oo. Alas 11, wala ka saan. Huwag mga alas 11. Alas 11 manis na guys. Ewan why hindi ka kaskin. Nami guys, sarap sa phone. Puti ako.
And that's score for the both teams. For Team PVC Corporation at Team Band, Professor Big Philip with 30 points for the time. And for the Team Band, of course, Maybank with 44 big points coming for Pator Siganet, and of course, Isador. Grabe again, 44 points for Maybank Again, nice game.